Hey everyone, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser. I hope you're having a great Friday, and today it is no mic on today. The mic's good? Oh, too loud. All right. Well, welcome to In the Cut, where today we are cutting a whole pumpkin. Earlier this week we did a pumpkin pie, and that went well. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check it out in the link up here. And on social media, there was a great picture after it was done when we did the second pass. But back to doing a pumpkin. So I've never been so unsure of myself about these things. Usually I come into this and I'm fairly confident, but I've never done a pumpkin, believe it or not. So here's the design. It goes back to the project from last week, so I just want to see what it looked like on an actual pumpkin. So let's check it out and watch it get cut. So I wasn't too comfortable going into this, but I did not go in blind. I did do a power setting on the top, simple circle, and the power settings are 100 power, 10 speed, 100 current, and 3 passes. 3 passes got all the way through, no problem. Always remember that third pass, second pass, just passes in general. Sometimes they're overlooked and you think it only takes 1 pass to cut through something, but that's not always the case. Now you can see the designs was almost done when you guys were watching. That's because we did the first 2 passes off camera, and now we're doing that third pass to get the actual cut. And again, this is my first pumpkin. We did something fairly simple, but remember when cutting jack-o'-lanterns that it's a total pain because those triangle eyes are there for a reason, because it's so hard to get round corners with a knife. That's why they have those little saw blades that you get with the pumpkin carving kit that always break the second you use them. Remember when doing uneven surfaces that you have play on your focus, an 1/8 inch high and an 1/8 inch below. So when I focus is something slightly round like this, I like to focus in between the high point and the low point, and that's going to get you in your best spot to cut something like this. Like a pump. Now, I've never seen an actual cut pumpkin like this. Usually it's, you know, some sort of deep raster that somebody glows from the inside very brightly so you can actually see it. So I went ahead and I just wanted to see it actually cut, something that you would cut with a knife or something similar. And next week, if this guy doesn't turn out great, I'm gonna do an even more elaborate one. And remember, if you have a humongous pumpkin, you can always cut it in half, do your actual cut on that half, and then put them back together via dowels or, what is it, toothpicks, or hot glue if you're Nick. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna have to clean them up a bit, but it worked pretty well. And if you want to see what it looks like after I clean it all up, just check us out on social media, on Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram. And until next time, have a good weekend and keep making.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you like those videos, please subscribe. We got more videos of me over here.
Very easy to solve.